On the 30th of January 2025, after a successful year, we returned to the Caversham Golf Course to host the third Masterclass of the academic year. Based on valuable feedback from our previous sessions, we decided to shake things up a bit. There's always room for improvement. This time, we covered a range of topics including bunker maintenance, pre-start checks and post-operative checks, machinery cleaning and storage, data collection, hole changing, and measuring green speeds with a stimpmeter. Everything was delivered in a hands-on, practical setting, giving the students the chance to try out all of the tasks for themselves. Here's a closer look at what we got up to.
So if you look and feel that, if you look at that against 2-inch fescue, it's a little bit blunter on the ends than the fescue.
Brakes.
Maybe on the faces, like at the top.
No, you don't want it right at the top, and you don't want as much up the face as you do at the bottom.
Yeah.
So it is literally just to give it a cover it, so all the aspects of it can come through, especially after the rain.
What do you see then?
The roots go fairly low, the steel roots coming through here.
Yeah.
That'd be a little bit of a thatch there.
There is a little bit of thatch there. How can we see that there's thatch on the rest of it? So if we look at these ball marks here, Harrison, on the surface, what can we see there? What can you feel? So if you scrape it under your fingernail, you'll see the thatch. Look at the colour of it. Yeah. How does it feel as well? Where you squeeze your plugs that you pulled out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, squishy, aren't they? And it's the same with core. So if you take a core up out of the profile and squeeze it really hard, you'll see the water visibly come out of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. You see the water coming out of it. So it's just bearing in mind that we have had a lot of rainfall as well. So there is a bit of that. Don't worry too much because I'm probably going to pull them up again. So.
Oh right, yeah.
So I've got these two golf balls here then. What I want you to both do is just chuck them up in the air and just obviously don't let them drop on your head. Chuck them up in the air and see how they land, see how the bounce is. Right, what are you seeing there then?
Very bouncy.
It isn't very bouncy. Why do you think that is?
Thatch is like cushion in it. Maybe.
Yeah, and the moisture in the profile as well.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
So you're getting your debris off as well when you're at the end of the line. That's it, Archie. Right, Toby, you're next.
Is it a 3 mil?
There he is, it's getting really wet.
So at which point, John, you say like that's got 7.5%, when will you think, oh, okay, better put the sprinkler on there?
When it gets below sort of 10%.
What we do is roll 3 balls.
It can depend on the make of the ball as well. There you go, so that was probably a little bit too high, Archie, because what you don't want is to force the ball to roll along. if you just keep going up until the point of where the ball goes on, yeah, there you go, where it goes on its own. Because you can see there, you've gained a foot on that first ball just by lifting it up that extra little bit. There you go.
The whole grain sits like that around the hole. Ease it in. Now, a lot of people, they will actually cut the hole like straight. That's not how you do it. The hole has to be parallel with the surface of the green. Yeah. Sand build up in there. Just tap it off on the green. Give it a white round. Quite often we'll actually have some water and a sponge to clean the inside of the cup out. This comes out. Just check the bottom. Just make sure it's taking the whole wad out. It's not left half of it in the bottom of the plug. So I'm just going to leave that in there for a minute.
A huge thank you to Jon Scoones, the team and the club for their incredible support. They constantly go above and beyond to help us provide quality education and make the students feel at home and show them the ins and outs of their work. Everyone left with a smile on their face, having learned something new and made valuable connections. And that's what it's all about, fun and engaging education.